We are describing second lesson of geography, physical features of India. The physical features, they are represented on map of India also. Earlier we discussed on the earth surface there are the different landforms. The same type of landforms they are found in India also. Now we will describe formation of Himalayas as well as North Plain of India. The peninsular plateau of India or peninsular India is considered the oldest landmass of India, and Himalayas and North Plain of India, they are considered recently formed landforms of India. Now we will study about the formation of Himalayas. How were Himalayas formed? There are big tectonic plates. In the previous videos, also we discussed there are 7 major tectonic plates. India is a part of Indo-Australian plate. Now, how were Himalayas formed? Gondwana land. That is considered the oldest landmass of world. Gondwana land included South America, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, and India also. Now, according to this, India earlier lies in south, but now India is in north or northern hemisphere. So now India, we can say now in the north part of world, how it occur? It occur only due to convectional currents. Convectional currents split the crust into a number of pieces, and due to this, Indo-Australian plate drifted and it collided with Eurasian plate. Eurasian plate that lies, you can say, where Europe is present. So, Indo-Australian plate that collide with due to drifting to the Eurasian plate. Due to this collision, the sedimentary rocks, they were accumulated or deposited in the Tethys Sea, and due to deposition of large amount of sedimentary rocks or sediment in the Tethys Sea, the mountain system of India, mainly the Himalayas, were formed. So large amount of sediment get deposited in the Tethys Sea. We can say there were folds of sediment in the Tethys Sea. Due to this, Himalayas were formed. So Himalayas, they are known as young fold mountains of world also. Now we will study about the formation of North Plain of India. North Plain of India where we are living, how North Plain formation took place. As we studied peninsular India, that is the oldest landmass of India. After this, due to deposition of sediment in the Tethys Sea, Himalayas were formed. So there were great big depressions between the peninsular plateau and Himalayas. And these depressions, they were deposited by the river sediment, and after a long time period, North Plain of India was formed. In the North Plain of India, we have alluvial soil that is very fertile. So we can say the peninsular India, that is the oldest landmass of India, and that is made up of igneous and metamorphic rocks, and Himalayas and North Plain of India, they are the younger physical features. And Himalayas, they have the high peaks, deep valleys, and many rivers. And North Plain of India, that is very fertile, and main occupation of the people is agriculture. Now, we will describe the first physical division of India. Earlier on the map we have represented the physical features or divisions of India. Earlier we discussed there are the 6 major physical divisions. Now we will describe the first physical division, that is Himalayan mountains. Now Himalayans, they are the young fold mountains of India, and these Himalayans, they are considered the most rugged mountains in the world. Their extension from Indus River to Brahmaputra river. And their total extension is near about 2400 kilometer. Width of Himalayas that also vary from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Their width in Jammu Kashmir 400 kilometer and in Arunachal Pradesh that is only 150 kilometer. Not only the width of the Himalayas vary from area to area, height of mountain ranges also vary. So Himalayas, they have different high peaks also. Himalayas, they are divided into three parallel ranges or three parts. First Himadri, second Himachal, third Shivalik.